The new Fiat 600 finally makes its debut, and here's everything you need to know about the new electric crossover. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where the Fiat 600, well, it's one of the most anticipated cars of the year, and the new small crossover from the house has in fact been a protagonist of a long testing campaign with numerous spy photos published in recent months. Now we're finally here face to face with the 600e, one of the most important innovations of the recent history of Fiat, the second electric model that involves in all senses as seen as the 500e. Now, orders of the 600e open July 5th starting tomorrow, with deliveries in September, while the hybrid 600 will arrive mid-2024. Now, as mentioned, a lot was already known about the Fiat 600, thanks to rumors and gossip, like the presence of electric motorization, onboard technology, and much more. Now today, it's all black and white, starting with the dimensions. Length, 4.17 meters, but that's all we know of the Fiat 600's dimensions, which is positioned in a segment occupied by the Volkswagen T-Cross, Citroen C3 Cross, the Toyota Yaris, and the Jeep Avenger, shorter by 17 centimeters, with which it shares its mechanics. Now, an SUV inserted in the so-called B segment with style that borrows heavily from the electric 500. You get frowning front lights, the enroach on the hood, and the rear lights with a C design for the main part to embrace the rest of the optical assembly. Now, compared to the city car, the design is inevitably also given the size more massive and muscular thanks to the alloy wheels that reach up to 18 inches in diameter. Now, the Italian style that recalls the Dolce Vita, they say in Fiat, with vines that draw on tradition while distinguishing themselves from those of the 500X. They are not distorted to create an appearance that makes you feel at home. Now, great protagonist of a series of stories published on Instagram by Oliver Francois, CEO of Fiat, showed the interior of the 600, and it resumes what we saw seen on the outside. The layout of that is the electric 500 and the Jeep Avenger, with the large 10.25 central monitor perched on the dashboard. Below are also the physical climate control buttons, and even further below is the transmission controls. Now, in front of the driver, there's instead a 100% digital 7-inch instrument cluster and a circular element. The inside is minimal with few physical buttons, which help to increase the feeling of space. Now, this platform is designed also for 100% electric cars. There's no mention of it in the press release, but it should be an evolution of the CMP of PSA origin, and that makes it possible to obtain generous storage compartment in the central tunnel, covered as on the Jeep Avenger by a foldable cover with a magnetic closure. Now, speaking of space, the Fiat 600 claims 360 liters of luggage compartment, 20 less than its cousin Jeep due to the different shape of the roof. Now, as mentioned, the Fiat 600e is 100% electric for the crossover, and it is powered by the same powertrain found under other Stellantis models. The engine coupled to the front wheels is 115 kilowatts, 156 horsepower, and is powered by a 54 kilowatt lithium-ion battery pack for the range of 400 kilometers, according to the WLTP cycle. Now, the maximum speed has not been communicated, but it takes probably around 9 seconds to go from 0 to 100 kilometers. Now, speaking of recharging, the Fiat 600 accepts a maximum power of 100 kilowatts to reach 80% of battery capacity in less than a half hour, and the 11 kilowatt onboard charger and Mode 3 cable are standard for full charge in less than 6 hours. Now, I'm not exactly sure yet of the engine of the hybrid Fiat 600, which again will come out mid-2024, but it is almost certain that it is the new generation 1.2 PureTech gas engine with a 48 volt mod hybrid system and 2 horsepowers of 100 and 136 combined with a 6-speed dual clutch transmission, and that's automatic. Now, the suite of level 2 driving assistance systems is rich with adaptive cruise control, intelligent speed assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and active lane maintainer. There's also a front and rear parking sensor setup with rear view camera. Now, you also have the prices of the Fiat 600. They have not yet been communicated. And we do know that at the start of marketing the crossover, it's supposed to be available in 2 trims. The Fiat 600e La Prima, which is a launch version with particularly rich standard equipment, and a Fiat 600e Red. Now, there will be 4 colors available for the bodywork: Sun of Italy, Sea of Italy, Earth of Italy, and Sky of Italy. And would you like gray for the 600? Not possible, because Fiat's getting rid of any gray colors in their lineup. So with that said, the start of the 600, a very important model for the Fiat brand. What do you guys think about the official debut? Drop those comments down below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to help further support the channel, check the links down in the description below, where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, and my Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra dollar or two to the channel. Appreciate the love as always, guys. Thank you so much. You guys can check out the Ron's Rise merch and social media links down in the description below. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed. Have a great day. And we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.